govern, that everyone, because at that time, Black people were not allowed to participate in elections. They were not allowed to participate as voters and those who get voted. And then it then says that the people shall govern, they must be allowed to participate in elections. I think maybe let us take it this way so that we don't spend a lot of time on this. Let's deal with major sections of the Freedom Charter and give a critical review now. That here is a struggle that was fought.
Now, when I was listening to Floyd here, I was like, Floyd, why can't you keep this energy? What is the need of you to insult people? What is the need for you to gun at the MK political party? Why is there a need for you to continuously shoot down the name of the CIC? Why is it that you claim Black consciousness and you've got so much knowledge about Pan-Africanism, but you still want to shoot down the EFF and everything? For me, if Floyd can just keep to this, Floyd will do good. If he can just stop insulting people, if he can lead by example, if he can be conscious about every word that comes out of his mouth and the impact that it has, especially about assassinating his own character, I think Floyd will do good. But I'm not sure if he has it in him. It's like every opportunity he gets, he's going to bash somebody, he's going to attack somebody, he's going to insult somebody, which is for most of us. I'm speaking for me. Okay, let me speak for myself. For me, I don't like it when I see leaders do that. I don't like it. I'm like, if you are trying to unite people, you are trying to bring people in your political party, what type of culture do you want to, present? Or what type of a leader do you want to be? And if you are going to be a leader every time that is going to insult people, call names and do all of those things, I don't have to name the people that are doing that in South African politics. You guys know that, and you guys know just how much most South Africans don't like those particular leaders. Leaders that call name and insult people. It's low class. In politics, there's no need. For me, there's no need for you to do that. Use your superior logic to reason and convince people otherwise, then we'll grant. Because this issue of him coming out, okay, this one is doing drugs. If you are not going to put evidence on the table, don't mention it, Floyd.